This is the Profiles page, where you create and manage persistent browser profiles. Each profile is a complete saved identity, its own cookies, login state, fingerprint, and assigned proxy, so accounts stay logged in between runs and every profile looks like a separate, real device. 6 cards track them at a glance: total, idle, running, logged in, with cookies, and error. The toolbar above the list does the heavy lifting. Create a profile, open it, clone, edit, delete, refresh, give it a fresh fingerprint, or open many at once in a stacked or arranged layout. The table shows each profile's proxy, login status, cookies, run count, and disk size. Right-click any profile for its full-action menu. Open the browser, jump into its settings, organize it into folders, assign a quick proxy, manage its account and browser data, or delete it. Open Settings, and you get per-profile control, a summary of its identity on the left, and tabs for bookmarks, geolocation, stealth, account, and cookies. The Stealth tab fine-tunes the fingerprint, stealth mode, spoofed hardware and platform, device scale randomization, and locale, all overriding the global defaults just for this profile. Need to work in bulk? Select all, right-click, and act on every profile at once. Open them all, clone, edit, clear proxies, hand out new fingerprints, or delete in one move. You can also group profiles into folders to keep big batches organized. The Proxy Assignment tab manages connections. Shuffle proxies across profiles, skip slow ones, auto-shuffle each cycle, or swap every profile to a fresh, never-used proxy, even automatically on each launch. And Cookies and Data lets you clear cookies for one profile or all of them, though clearing forces a fresh login on the next run. These profiles are the identities your task runner, login automator, and creator all share. Set them up well here, and the whole suite runs on a solid, believable foundation.